flying the plane. We're flying the plane.
We brought it in.
Yeah.
We brought it in.
We brought it in. This whole trip right here shouldn't take too long, not too much traffic. It's when we get into the heart of the city, downtown, is where the traffic will start hitting. Once we leave JSS, Arthur Cook, we're going to take Canucks all the way to Illinois, to Tampa to Pluto. We're going to cross the Tigris River. So kind of train association, once we cross the river, you'll know we're going to be over by War Eagle. And War Eagle is going to be our final destination. From War Eagle, we're going to continue, come down Pluto's, Tampa to Vernon to Michigan, and then back into BBC. That's the way we're coming back. Any questions about maneuver up until now? My guys, before we load up, we're going red right here. Not on crew serves. We're going to load up on crew serves, go red on crew serves at ECP4. If there is a firing barrel at ECP4 or a test fire range, we're firing our weapons. Alright, good. Then we're going to be firing, each weapon is going to be firing, okay? Enemy situation right now. The last 48 hours hasn't been any significant attacks on the routes we're taking. However, there always are significant attacks on the routes we're taking. Attacks are picking up within, right now it's been the southeastward area in the last 24 hours. Everything ranging from EFPs that didn't go off to full range artillery round IEDs. Right now, most probable course of action has been EFPs, so that's pretty much what we're looking out for. But we do often see the RKG-3, which is the handheld, like a hand-thrown grenade to the vehicles, and they're aiming at gunners, stuff like that, easily exposed soldiers.
Good morning, I'm Specialist Washington. I'll be the gunner for the middle vehicle, which is the big truck right here. I'll be giving the rules of engagement brief. There's three key components: 100% identification, hostile intent, and hostile action. So if you have to engage the enemy at any time, or if you guys have to hop up on the gun just in case, you got to have 100% identification of that enemy. If that enemy runs into a building, you no longer have 100% identification. Hostile intent. If the enemy is pointing his weapon at you, you may acquire that enemy and use your escalation of force, which is Specialist Lopez just went over. Hostile action. If that enemy is pointing his weapon at you and engaging you, you may engage back. Additional threats, as Specialist Lopez covered, your RKG-3s. If anyone approaches the vehicle at any time looking like they're going to throw anything at the vehicles, you may engage that enemy. RPGs. The only people authorized to have RPGs are the Iraqi Army and the Iraqi police. Also, if you guys see anyone videotaping our convoy, just let people inside the vehicle know, and we'll assess the situation from there. Any questions?
Gotta let us shoot.
I had a bag full of ducks.
Okay.
sitting in the seat.
I'm driving the boat.
Drive it. Don't turn it on.
No.
Yeah,
No,
you're in there now. You might as well. He's watching you.
I'm watching you.
Okay.
Go ahead and take those and push
Both of
them
those
up
pedals at the same time.
Do what now?
At
Push
the
them
same
up.
time.
Same time.
Same time. I got you. There you go.
Do I need to steer?
Yes, you do. Just like the car.
Oh, so then I use both hands.
Yes, please. Come to the right. Turn right like you're making a right-hand turn.
Put some gas in it.
That's all right. That's all right. Come like you're making a right-hand turn.
Keep turning.
Yes.
Just got a Cadillac.
Go a little faster.
Yes. Push it up a little bit more.
There you go. There you go, Perry.
Turn to the left a little bit. Turn to the left a little bit.
Yeah.
Mile to the left. There you go. Check out the 50. Now push it up. There you go. Hang it around. We're going home. Come to the left. Come to port. Come to port.
Hey!